So this is one of the most asked doubt to me in the chapter of logarithm by the students. So I've kept this question in the unusual category of the workbook for the logarithms. This question is from February March 2024, paper 3 variant 2, and in that paper this question was the fourth one. So let's see how we can solve this. We are given that ln p over q is equal to a and ln of q square into p is equal to b. Now utilizing these equations, we have to go ahead and express the ln of p to the power of 7 into q in terms of a and b. Please note that not a single question in the entire paper is going to be out of your syllabus. It's just that you need to think slightly beyond the usual things, and then you will see that, okay, yeah, things are falling into the place. You just need to try, you need to scribble something on the paper, and most of the times you will lead to a particular answer. Or maybe you will have a way that, okay, this did not work, so let me try something else. And then if even this did not work, it's not no problem, just try something else. But of course you can take this kind of a liberty only when you are aware about how to solve papers on time. When, let's say, if you're seeing this kind of a question in your examination and in the first attempt you did not get it, it's completely fine. Don't worry, this kind of questions are present in every paper. There will be at least one question which is going to tickle your neurons. So you should know when to leave a particular question and then come back when entire paper is completed under the proper time conditions, and still you are having, let's say, 10 15 left 15 minutes left in your hand. In this kind of cases you can take liberty of trying multiple things out. So overall, P3 is having a lot of repetitive questions. So I highly recommend that you try to complete your entire paper in 1 hour 30 minutes and then use the remaining time for the questions which you are not able to solve. Have this kind of practice. So yeah, let's get started with this one. We are having two positive numbers P and Q such that we are having these two equations and we have to express this in terms of A and B. So how can we solve this? I know that this is nothing but ln of p to the power of 7 plus ln q, and this is same as writing 7 ln p plus ln q. So basically, if I know the values of ln p and ln q, my job is done. But how will I find the values of ln p and ln q? There are two equations with the two unknowns. So what can I do? I can just convert this into ln p minus ln q is equal to a, and this as 2 ln q plus ln p is equal to b. So I am having similar two equations with the two unknowns. I can use it to solve for ln p and ln q, and then substitute its respective values in terms of a and b in this equation, and then simplify it to get my answer of this in terms of a and b. So let's get started. I can write my ln of p over q is equal to a as ln of p minus ln of q is equal to a. Now the second equation that I can create is from the equation on the right hand side. Ln of pq square is equal to b. This is same as writing ln of p plus, of course I can bring 2 down in the from the power, so 2 ln q is equal to b. Now let this be equation 1, let this be equation 2. Now what can you do? You can go ahead and, because I know that ln p and ln p are just repeated, I can do either equation 1 minus equation 2, or I can just equate them. It's up to you. So let's say I'm going to perform equation 2 minus equation 1. So 2 ln q minus of minus ln q is 3 ln q is equals to b minus a. So from here, what is the conclusion? The value for the ln q in terms of a and b comes out to be b minus a over a. Oh, sorry, over 3. Now, how can I find the value of ln q? ln p. I can find the value of ln p by substituting the ln q in either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's say I'm substituting this in equation. Substitute ln q in equation 1. So I'll get ln p is equal to a plus ln q. So a plus ln q, which is b minus a over 3. And then I can simplify this. 3a minus a is 2a, then plus b by 3. So I've got my ln p and ln q. Now it's time to find the main thing. I have to express ln of p to the power of 7 into q in terms of a and b. This is same as writing 7 of ln p plus ln q, and then I know that in P and Q both the common denominator is 3, so it's very good. 7 times ln P, so ln P was 2a plus b in the numerator, and for ln Q the numerator was b minus a, and the common denominator of 3. And now if I simplify this, therefore you can say that my ln of P to the power of 7 into Q is going to be equal to 7 times 2 is 14, 14 minus 1 is 13, so 13a, then 7b plus 1b is 8b. So 13a plus 8b is whole divided by 3. So you can see that you have expressed your ln P to the power of 7 into Q in form of a and b. So yeah, overall the question was not difficult. You just had to think more than the usual things that you have been doing in this entire chapter. These are your usual questions, as you can see. This was something out of the box. But yeah, if you just played around a little bit, I'm sure that you will be able to get to the particular answer. Let me know in the comments if you were able to solve this in your first attempt or not.